Hello everyone. In last video we learned present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In this video we are going to learn the past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now first the past perfect tense. How we write a sentence in past perfect tense? First in positive form we write subject, the sentence is about, plus head auxiliary plus verb second form plus object. Example, he had started the car. He here is subject, head auxiliary, started verb second form, the car object. Like we had started the car, we here is subject, head auxiliary, started verb second form, the car object. I had started the car, I subject, head auxiliary, started verb second form, the car object. Now, how we form a negative sentence of past perfect tense? First subject, the sentence is about, plus head auxiliary, not because in negative form not is important, plus verb second form plus object. Now example, he had not started the car. He here is subject, head auxiliary, not because not is important in negative form, started verb second form, the car object. We had not started the car, we subject, head auxiliary, not because it is a negative sentence, started verb second form, the car object. Now how we form a question past perfect tense? First we write the auxiliary, head plus subject, the question is about, plus verb second form plus object and a question mark. Example, had started the car, head here is auxiliary, he is the subject, started verb second form, the car object and a question mark. Question mark is important in question form. Had we started the car, head here is auxiliary, then we subject, started verb second form, the car object and a question mark. Now what are the functions of the past perfect tense? First, to describe an action that has taken place before another action in past. पास्ट में कोई एक्शन हुआ उससे पहले जो एक्शन हुआ है उसके लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. The plan had landed when we reached the airport. जो प्लेन लैंड हुआ उससे वो लैंड हो गया था जब वो एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे. तो one action is completed before the another, so we use past perfect tense. Second, with words like already and just to refer to an action which were completed before a specific time in the past. Already और just जब वर्ड सेंटेंस में यूज होते हैं तब कोई अगर स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए पास्ट में बात कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीट हुआ एक्शन, तब यूज करते हैं. अनुज हैड जस्ट लेफ्ट फॉर कॉलेज व्हेन हर मदर अराइव्ड. अनुज जो है उसने कॉलेज लेफ्ट किया ही था जस्ट जब उसकी मदर आई, तो इट इज फॉर ए स्पेसिफिक टाइम इन पास्ट. थर्ड, विथ इनडेफिनेट टाइम वर्ड्स लाइक ऑलवेज, और इनडेफिनेट टाइम्स के लिए यूज करते हैं जब ऑलवेज यूज करते हैं. वी हैड ऑलवेज नोन दैट समीर वुड बिकम अ पायलट. यहाँ पे जो टाइम है वो फिक्स नहीं है, so उससे हमेशा से पता था कि समीर जो है वो पायलट बनेगा. सो इट इज फॉर अ इनडेफिनेट टाइम. So we use past perfect tenses for this. Now the past perfect continuous tense. How we make a sentence in past perfect continuous tense? Positive form, subject at the starting, then plus had been, it is auxiliary, plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. Like he had been starting the car. He here is subject, had been auxiliary, starting verb first form plus ing, the car object. We had been starting the car, we subject, had been auxiliary, starting verb first form plus ing and the car object. I had been starting the car, I subject, had been auxiliary, starting verb first form plus ing, the car object. Now how we write a sentence in negative form in past perfect continuous tense? Subject at the starting plus had been auxiliary, not because it is a negative sentence, plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Example, he had been not starting the car. He here is subject, had been auxiliary, not because it is a negative sentence, starting verb first form plus ing, the car object. We had been not starting the car, we here is subject, had been is auxiliary, not because it is a negative sentence, and starting verb first plus ing, the car object. Now, how we form a question in past perfect continuous tense? First, auxiliary at the starting, then subject, then be plus verb first form plus ing plus object and a question mark. Example, had he been starting the car? Had here is auxiliary at the starting. He is subject here. Then be, then starting verb first form plus ing. The car object and a question mark. Question mark is important in question form. Now, had we been starting the car? Had here is auxiliary at the starting. Be subject. Then be starting is like verb first form plus ing starting. The car object and a question mark. Now, what is the function of past perfect continuous tense? We use the past perfect continuous tense to refer to an action which had been going on continuously up to the time in the past that we are talking about. पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में हम उस एक्शंस के बारे में बात करते हैं जो कंटिन्यूसली चल रहा होता है जब हम पास्ट में अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं उस टाइम तक. He had been living in Kolkata for a long time before he came to Delhi. जब वो दिल्ली में आया उससे कई सालों पहले तक जो वो कोलकाता में रहता था, तो जो एक्शन है वो कंटिन्यूसली पहले हो रहा था दूसरे एक्शन से. So when an action is taking place continuously up to the point of time in the past, then we use past perfect continuous tense. Now here we completed our last two tenses. Thank you.